Use and operation of pump trucks. Pumping operation conventional models. After the vehicle is stabilized, open the water tank. Check that the water level should cover the main cylinder rod. After confirming that there are no personnel in the operating area, begin the pumping operation. Turn on the pumping switch on the remote controller. The chassis engine speed automatically increases to the system set speed. The pumping indicator lights up. The main cylinder and swing cylinder start reciprocating and alternately extending and retracting. The equipment enters the pumping state.